Hi guys, how are you all? As you know, we are making a series on Kotlin basics for beginners. And in our last video, we have learned about how we can create object and how we can create object keyword in Kotlin. So basically how you can use object keyword to declare anonymous object and anonymous classes in Kotlin, and how you can implement interfaces and classes to them. If you haven't watched this video, you can go back and check to that video. So today we are going to learn about another keyword, that is companion object in Kotlin. So let's get started. And we're also going to see how you can use JVM static keyword in Kotlin. So for this, let me create a new Kotlin file or class. Let's make a file that is I'm going to name it as comp keyword companion keyword, and let's just make it. So yeah, let's make a main function. And now in our previous video we know how we can create simply an object. Let's name it as like test, and how we can declare the functions and everything else in the object basically. So I have declared a object. Same way you can declare any number of objects. So for now, let's do one thing. Let's create a class, and class we can say it like this: class test, and we can say test object. And in this class, let's create multiple object we can create it, name it like this: test a. And in this have a function like this function abc, and we can, let's print inside it, print ln, and just simply I am from object, we can say I am from object test a. And now let's declare another object as well, let's name it as like this test b. And let's declare a function, we can say it xyz. And inside this, let's print ln, and I am from object test b, we can say it like this. So guys, so now we have declared a class, and we have declared two objects in it, test a and test b. So now if you want to access these objects in from this class, so how we can do it? We can simply say like well, uh, or you can say, if you want to access these uh, objects, so what we can do is, if you want to print here, if you want to access the function abc or xyz, then how we can do it? We have to do it like this: test, that is our test obj is our class. Then we have access to test a and test b. Test a, then we have to call function abc. So yeah, same way we can access the object test b and then its function xyz. And for now, let's just run it, and you will see how we can access, it will get printed. It is taking time. So yep. And what if you want, till then it's printing. I have a question: what if you want to access this object directly from this class, like test obj dot abc? We don't want to access this object, like we don't want this test a dot abc. Then how we can do it? So it is printed like I am from object test a. And what if we want like this directly? Then what we can do is, as the word companion shows us, like we have everyone, have a companion with which we can share everything. So in a class as well, we can share this object can share everything which is inside it with this test object class. For this, what we can do is we have to name it like this, companion object. So now you have seen like this test A has become redundant, so we can directly just remove redundant companion reference, and it we can now directly just with the help of test obj dot class name dot function, we can directly access the whatever functions and variable declared in this companion object. As uh, in with the name, we generally have one companion, so same way in class as well we can have only one companion object, we cannot have multiple companion objects. So this is how you can declare an object as companion, and if we have multiple functions, then a class can have can have a companion object, and we can access directly all the variables and the functions declared inside it. Also, what is the use of this is, for example, when in Java we have the static functions. This companion object is not yeah, static, it is not doing that in like behind the scenes in Kotlin. It is not creating a static function or anything, it is just creating an object, and then that's how it is accessing, giving us access to use that. As to access, we know like in Kotlin and Java both are interoperable. To access this in Java file, what we have to do, let's create a Java class basically, and let's name it as like this, uh, test, Java test, we can say static, and let's create this class. Yes, we have public class test static, and inside it let's have a static public static void main, and let's have what we have in this string, and that is an array and args. And now, so yes, we have created a Java file that is test static, and we have declared a main function. So in this, when I'm going to access this test obj from our companion keyboard file, so I can see we can have only access to test A and test B, so we are not having access to the function which we have declared. So for this, if what we can do is we can simply use JVM static annotation with this function. So what it will do, it will tell Kotlin to behave, make this function behave like we have static function in Java. So as you know, Kotlin and Java both are interoperable. We can call the functions from Kotlin file to Java and Java to Kotlin. So now, but we if we see test obj dot, we can have direct access to this ABC function. So this annotation, what it does, it make this function behave like a static function in Java. So guys, uh, this is how you can access functions from a companion object in Java. And this is all about companion object and JVM static annotation. So basically both are not same, these behave differently. Companion object doesn't makes a function or a variables as static. For this you have to use JVM static. So that is all about companion object and JVM static. In our next video we are going to learn more about Kotlin. Till then guys, keep supporting, do like, comment and subscribe, and also do let me know if you want me to make some videos on some specific topic. Till then guys, cheers, bye.